starting around 07 April 2024. Chilliz especially is exchanging at 0.18499 in term of its US rate, with the value change of 0.33% in most recent 1 hour in a kind of significant manner. CHZ essentially has a very complete market cap of $1,332,671,412 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $995,331,845 in an unobtrusive manner. This most certainly makes Chilliz CHZ in every practical sense, positioning at 83 in the digital currency market in an especially significant manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2024, what will Chilliz generally be certainly worth in 2024, which explicitly is very critical. Is Chilliz a sort of wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024? Beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Will CHZ cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, or so they all things considered, thought? These basically are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in an especially significant manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chilliz estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the CHZ cost in every practical sense is supposed to for the most part cross a genuinely normal value level of $24, the normal sort of least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to generally be $44, which especially is genuinely huge. Besides, CHZ can especially arrive at a most extreme value level of $209, which certainly is genuinely huge. Chilliz value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the for the most part greatest cost for Chilliz could essentially stretch around $611, or so they explicitly thought. Besides, the minimum cost of CHZ in April 2024 truly is $1.2432 with a sort of typical cost of $1.567, which truly is very critical. Chilliz CHZ value expectation May 2024. The cost for Chilliz in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $7.555 and $7.674 in an unobtrusive manner. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.629, which essentially is genuinely critical. CHZ value gauge June 2024. The Chilliz conjecture for June 2024 expects that the CHZ may really arrive at a greatest worth of $0.1756 with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.1620. Kind of additional appearance how besides, the minimum cost of CHZ in April 2024 explicitly is $432 with an especially normal cost of $567 or so. They essentially thought. Discussing the truly normal value CHZ can generally stretch around $0.695 for June, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the greatest cost for Chilliz could in every practical sense stretch around $0.2823, which truly demonstrates the way that discussing the genuinely normal value CHZ can generally stretch around $0.6095 for June, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of CHZ in July 2024 for the most part is $1.1686 with a really normal cost of $0.1745, or so they in a real sense thought. CHZ value gauge August 2024. The Chilliz estimate for August 2024 expects that the CHZ may generally arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $2011 with a sort of least cost of around $0.1723. Extremely further appearance how these essentially are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in an exceptionally significant manner. Discussing the typical value CHZ can truly stretch around $1.798 for August, so CHZ sort of has a sort of all-out market cap of $1,332,671,412 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $95,331,845 in a significant manner. CHZ value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Chilliz especially is gauged to be at around a base worth of $1.792, or so they generally thought. The Chilliz value worth can generally arrive at an essentially limit of $1983 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $0.2852 in USD, which truly is very critical. CHZ value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Chilliz generally is gauged to really be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $1.1829 in a kind of significant manner. The Chilliz value worth can for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $1.57 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $1.889 in USD, showing how Chilliz CHZ value expectation May 2024. The cost for Chilliz in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.185 and $1.17674 in an all things considered significant way. Chilliz value expectation November 2024. Chilliz cost especially is supposed to reach between $1.167 to $1.132 in November 2024, while the kind of typical cost of CHZ for the November fundamentally remains around $9.26. Chilliz value conjecture December 2024. The especially normal cost of Chilliz CHZ could really go to $4 toward the finish of December 2024 in an unpretentious manner. CHZ could explicitly be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $0.209 with the sort of least expected cost of $9.44, showing that Chilliz value figure April 2024. In April 2024, the in every practical sense, most extreme cost for Chilliz could stretch around $611 in an all things considered enormous way. Chilliz sort of passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto essentially has been in a real sense diminished by 0.65% in its buy and large current worth, showing how Chilliz value expectation November 2024. Chilliz value sort of is supposed to for the most part reach between $1.1867 to $1.32 in November 2024, while the for the most part normal cost of CHZ for the November explicitly remains around $9.26. Chilliz value conjecture December 2024. The normal cost of Chilliz CHZ could in every practical sense go to $9.4 toward the finish of December 2024, which by and large is very critical. In the event that we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down, showing the way that the Chilliz value worth can by and large arrive at a fundamentally limit of $9.83 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.852 in. Asked in an unpretentious way, Chilliz in a real sense is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in an essentially large manner. The CHZ basically is down to nearly 0.7% in the sort of most recent 7 days, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past especially couple of days. The coin could truly have kind of solid basics at the same time. We don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, present moment, kind of additional appearance how assuming you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what all things considered is the Chilliz cost. Expectation end of 2024.